There are many species of both land turtles and aquatic turtles in the world. The earliest species of turtles, they originated 157 million years ago, which was even before snakes and crocodiles. That's why scientists consider them as one of the oldest reptiles. Many species of turtles have become extinct, but 327 are still in existence today. Turtles, 200 million years on this earth, that is, dinosaurs have existed since time immemorial. The scientific name of turtle is Testudinity. Some turtles can live to be over 100 years old. There was a tortoise named Harriet who, it is said, was originally discovered by Charles Darwin in 1835, and later brought to Australia Zoo. It died in 2006 and its age at that time was 175 years. The turtle is one of the first living creatures to go into space. In 1968, the Soviet Union launched a space voyage with several animals, including 2 turtles. After returning after spending a week in space, it was seen that the body weight of these 2 turtles had decreased by 10%. Even if the brain of a turtle is separated from its body, it can live up to 6 months. There are 60 bones in the shell of the turtle which are connected to each other. Turtles can hold their breath for long periods of time. This is the reason why they stay inside their shell for so long. Whenever they feel threatened, they hide inside their shell, but before that they let out a long breath that can be heard. Except for Antarctica, they live on almost all the continents whose temperature is warm enough for their reproduction. A sea turtle named hawksbill only eats creatures that are poisonous. The maximum running speed of turtle is up to 1.6 kilometers per hour. Turtles cannot come out of their shell because it is attached to their body and grows with the body. Some turtles are carnivorous, some are vegetarian and some are omnivorous, which can eat anything meat and plants. Sometimes baby turtles start life as carnivores, but after growing up they start eating plants. What does a tortoise eat? It depends on the environment in which it lives. Land-dwelling turtles feed on crickets, fruits, and grasses, while sea-dwelling turtles feed on algae, squid, and jellyfish. What does a water turtle eat? Water turtle can be both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. It eats small insects, fish, frogs, snails etc. apart from grass, fruits, flowers, leaves, seeds etc. It can be ascertained from the color of their armor that what is the temperature of the area where they live. The light-colored shell indicates that they live in a warm place, while the dark color shows that the turtle lives in a cold area. Their blood is cold and it is believed that the lifespan of a cold-blooded creature is very long. If you want to catch a turtle, then hold it with both your hands. Keep one hand under its body because they get scared when they feel the air under them. Giant tortoises are also found in some tropical islands which are called giant tortoise. Their height can be 6 feet and width can be 4 to 5 feet. Not only this, their weight can be more than 400 kilograms. The Galapagos tortoise also hunts birds. For this he drags the birds under his shell and crushes them with his weight. You will be surprised to know that it took 300 years to decide the scientific name of giant tortoise. This is because their meat was very tasty, and whenever a turtle was sent to Europe for sampling, people used to kill and eat it on the way. Their ability to see and hear is very high. They use their throat to smell the surrounding odors. In winter, turtles go into hibernation and remain in the same position for many months without eating anything. Turtles can feel touch over their shell. They inhale through the upper part of their mouth and detect the filth. 40% of the turtle's body weight is water. In fact, desert turtles drink and store a large amount of water from different water sources during rainy days so that it can be useful during dry days. World Turtle Day is celebrated every year on 23rd of May. What is the difference between tortoise and turtle? The main difference between these two is that tortoise always lives on the ground. They live in jungles, deserts etc. and go to water only when they feel thirsty. While turtle is an aquatic creature, it mostly lives in water and comes on land only when it has to lay eggs. Turtles have extremely strong mouths but do not have teeth. Due to the hard shell of turtles, they cannot expand their chest to breathe like other animals and humans, so turtles have developed a special group of muscles which helps them to breathe. Female turtles lay 1 to 30 eggs at a time. They make a place by digging the soil to lay eggs. It takes 90 to 150 days for the eggs to hatch. Female turtles are generally larger in body than males. A female turtle has a longer tail than a male turtle, by which they reproduce. Tortoises are usually quiet but make hissing sounds during breeding. Roman soldiers in ancient times were impressed by the shell of tortoises and used these shields to cover their soldiers from the front and top during battle. Sadly, many species of turtles have become endangered today. According to statistics, out of about 300 species of turtles on the Earth today, 129 are vulnerable or endangered. Now we need to seriously consider this matter.